Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a works cited page. So the first thing you want to do is open up a blank Google Doc and give it a title. Yours would say works cited page. Next thing you're going to do is put a centered title on it. So you're going to use the center align button right here. And you're going to type works cited. Then you'll hit the enter key so you're on the next row and then go back to left align. Next you want to copy and paste in the sample citation that I gave you from the slideshow. So this tells you exactly what has to go into your MLA citation, and we're going to put it here so that we can reference it. Next thing you want to do is start making your actual citation. So let's say you wanted to cite this video that I'm making right now. First thing you want to put is the author. It always goes last name, first name. So we're going to put Franklin, Catherine, and then be really careful about your punctuation. So then a period. Next up is the title. So the title of this video is How to Make a Works Cited Page. And that goes in quotation marks. Next it says title of container, and do not list container for standalone books like a novel. So because my YouTube video does not live on the internet by itself, it lives on my YouTube channel on YouTube, I'm going to put YouTube as my title of container. Then I'm going to look and I'm going to think about whether or not my citation needs all of this other information. So does it have other contributors? Does it have a version or a number or a publisher? It has none of that stuff, but it does have a publication date, which is the date I posted it on YouTube. So I'm going to put October 12th, 2020. Then it says location, such as a URL. Other titles can, other second container's title. I can read you guys, I'm sorry. Other contributors, version, number, publisher, publication date, location, date of access. So date of access is not super important, but I do want to include the location. So for that, you'd want to like copy and paste the URL, which I don't have a URL for my video yet, but we'll just put that one in there for now. And then once you hit the space key after that, it turns blue. That's how you know you have a hyperlink. So at this point, my citation is done. I know that I don't need any of this other stuff. Now I need to format it correctly. You're going to take your cursor and click and drag to highlight your citation. You're going to make it double spaced. So you go up here to line spacing and select double. Then you want to make a hanging indent, which is how this example is, how the first line is normal and then all the other lines after it are indented. It's kind of the opposite of a regular paragraph. And so to do that, you go to Format and Paragraph Styles, or maybe not. That's the one you want, Indentation Options. Then you want a special indent and it's called a hanging indent. Click Apply, and you're all done. It's a perfect citation. So you would do this for all of your other sources and then list them here. Once you have them all looking correct, you want to make sure that they're in alphabetical order. And that's how you make a works cited page.